Keep your phone down.
Angkat.
No phone too loud. No. Keep your phone.
好，
Keep your phone down.
就这样。
Keep your pocket and no phone too loud.
Why?
Because he say no phone too loud, Mama.
Why?
Because he don't need phone.
Who say?
Please.
Please. Okay.
Mama,
Oi.
put your pocket.
Okay, okay. Okay.
What's this? These
Oh.
ones.
Oh.
Why do I do that?
Oh. Oi. 他冇做。踢呗，踢吧
You
嘞。
see that? You hear that sound,
哎
right?
呀，就给俺们这里破去了。老板。嗯。
Okay.
아, 쟤는 밴드 차이.
And what is?
그건 수비 되게 안 가.
Yeah, actually.
Now look at me, I'm sparkling. A firework, a dancing flame.
你外面就放些。啊
He just call you.
Jadi kau dengan mama.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, let's go. Mama, Mama. I'm ready for the dinner. Hello guys. Alan? Yay! Yum!
Wait.
Cheese.
Parmesan.
Cheese.
Okay. Enjoy. Please. Sabit dah by food dah. Bentar ya. Sambal. Sama eh. For this is for the bones.
Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
Looking at this. Wow. I'm making one cheese.
Okay. Good night, Sonny. I want to go now. Nunnun ipipita daw din ni tita. Pasala acho.
No vegetables. Only cheese.
Sama na boy. Okay. Nga si kabay chong
Bye guys. Love you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye. Good night, Nunnun.
Bye bye. Good night. I love you. Bye. Yum. I haven't had this before. Yummy. Never had it before. Happy eating. The best pasta in the world. Yeah. So cheesy and so creamy.
Oh.
Don't eat things on my throat.
Huh?
And I like this as much.
Yeah.
I eat this much and I can eat this much.
Oh.
I can eat this and because that we got this.
Good night. Naibitiam hin sa'yo. Tuwi na sana. Niyo na sila.
Now let's eat.
Okay.
Yummy.
Nade yam.
I'm gonna go to the other side.
Huh?
My room.
Huh?
Yeah.
Your room. Good
This
job.
is my room.
Jide na boy.
This is my new bed.
New bed. Okay, okay. This is the mom. Okay.
Yay.
No one good. Huh? Good night, good. Uncle.
I think these are so big.
Yeah.
You're having ice cream. I think so. I will take it out.
Watch, very good. Say bye.
Hi, good.
Wow. Kitchen is here. Tama.
Coba. Dia mana? Sesuatu. Apa hal dia? Hai, cinnamon roll. Kau ni bila dah ina? Sini deh. Dormi ke deh? Aicha, dormi. Mahiin kila deh ya. Come, cuti Jen. Mana cuti? Roll cupian naman dia oh. Why puzzle hay solo?
No,
Pichi ana?
because it's flaky, but it's not soft.
Soft law na?
Yeah.
Soft law.
But it's a little bit soft.
Ay, chila try tala.
This one is soft.
Soft. Chila, chila,
I
chila.
want to sleep on it.
Okay.
Mama.
Oy.
Logan is talking about the green one. I don't know what he's talking about. Green.
Green.
So open too.
Idalaw ham.
So water green. Nalalaw to.
Idalaw ham.
Yo, it's good. Hello everybody, today we are gonna do something so I'm just gonna open it.
네, IKEA 비니키츠 함.
I bought everything.
IKEA. Say that.
I got carpet.
Oh.
Oh.
And put this somewhere.
Okay.
This one.
One, yeah.
Ah.
Take one.
Baby shark.
Nangala.
So Thomas is fighting a baby shark. So I'm also helping him.
So when is
Guys, wake
When
up.
nang item?
This is my plate.
Okay.
And this is my coffee.
Ah,
Coffee.
coffee.
And
Yes,
I don't know. This is table mat.
Spoon.
Table mat.
Baby shark.
One by one, okay?
So this is for Mama.
Yeah.
This is cutting right now, dear.
Yeah. Put here for mama.
Papa.
Ah.
This is like that. Baby shark.
So come take out.
Guys, this one is for my brother because my mother buy it. So it said a honeybee here. Sorry. Okay, here. What?
Wow, now give it to swimming pool.
This
Why?
then we can do like this.
Oh, you can do like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
These
Now
are
give
the
me. Now give me that.
Everybody, this one is for this because my baby shark. The house smells very nice. Okay,
Oh.
guys. So pass it to Papa.
Okay, thank
And this is for to clean the bathroom because Mama want this. So Papa. He buy it.
Thank you.
Okay, so-
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so this is for something and the plate dries. You know, right? This one.
Yeah.
This one, the black thing. Okay. So this is for kitchen towel, and we always use it when we need something. Okay, you know it.
Gugun go do
This
that.
is a
Tawal ko
spoon
ba?
for dessert.
Ah,
Like
let Gugun do
So
this.
pass it.
What is this, Gun? What is this?
Spoon.
Spoon for you. For lunch, breakfast. Yeah, so nice. So.
I think it's a towel. So we are just gonna give it to
Okay.
somebody.
This is for
And
Papa.
not Stephen. This is for Papa.
Okay. This.
Elephant.
Big
Okay,
elephant,
so
big
everybody,
elephant.
we got
Ah.
this dog.
Okay,
It's very
dog.
cute.
This is
I
food.
name her Brownie.
Brownie.
And I name her Woofy.
Woofy. What about this? Gugun ng Pian Piam?
Elephant.
Elephant fan.
Elephant. Buburi Tokusini.
Oh, so nice.
Thank you for watching and subscribe. Comment down below and subscribe for now on video. Subscribe. Bye.
Nagota.
Yeah.
Ah, he insert. Ada ya.
Sorry, this one.